Let's check out some tips on how to set up your ServiceM8 account, whether you're starting a trial or preparing to use ServiceM8 full-time. We offer a 14-day free trial. You can create an account through our website on your computer or directly through our iOS app. You get full access to practically everything straight away. We make it really easy to try ServiceM8. We don't force you through a sales funnel or make you book a demo. You can just create an account and jump in. Let's check it out online. Once you're in your new account, head to the dispatch board. This is your mission control. You'll have your staff down here on the left, any jobs scheduled to them across the day here in the middle, and your list of active jobs for clients on the right. Remember, these are digital job cards. You can double click to open them up and just click, drag and drop them onto the schedule to instantly allocate that job card scheduled at that time to a staff member in the field. This is how you can communicate all those job and client details instantly, accurately and efficiently. To create a new job card, click here. Fill out some details and try scheduling it to yourself. Use the same username and password to log into the ServiceM8 app to see that instant connection between someone creating and scheduling jobs in the office and how those jobs pop up in the app straight away. Also check out how updates you make in the app, like taking photos or adding notes, sync and appear on the computer. This all helps to show what ServiceM8 can do for your efficiency, your productivity, your communication as a team, and your visibility of what's going on out in the field. You can learn more about how jobs move through ServiceM8 here. Then check out our Learning Roadmap series, which covers all the basics and includes some great rewards. Let's check out some account setup tips. Adding a team member is a great way to try ServiceM8 out. You can invite them up here, or go to your staff settings and create a login for them here. This is also where you control their level of access. One thing you'll want to do early is choose your quote and invoice templates. Head to Settings, then Document Templates. Here you can browse our standard quote and invoice templates. If you accept payment by bank transfer, be sure to update your invoice templates with your bank account details and save. When it comes to how your quotes and invoices look, maybe you like to itemize all the items and prices for your customers, maybe you don't. Some templates itemize, whereas others roll up your line items into just labor and materials, or roll everything up into one price with a description. Keep in mind you can also have more than one quote or invoice template to choose from to suit different jobs or clients. Just create a new template, choose the one you want, and click here. On a day-to-day basis, whenever you want to use a different template, with this quote for example, you can just click the drop-down, customize quote, choose your template, and send. There are three main options for getting your clients and items into ServiceM8. Option 1 is to connect to Xero, QuickBooks Online, or MYOB. It only takes a minute and ServiceM8 will automatically import your existing clients and items, ready to search and add in a job card on your computer or in the app. Option 2 is to bulk import. So, if you've got all your clients in a spreadsheet, go to Clients, Bulk Import, and follow the steps. You can download a spreadsheet template if you need to, and the tool will help you map each column to the right field. It's similar with items. Just go to Materials and Services, Bulk Import, and follow the steps. Option 3 for getting your clients and items into ServiceM8 is to simply save as you go. For clients, just type their name, click here, fill out their address, plus contact details, and they'll be saved, so you can add them to other jobs in future. For items, give it an item code, click Create, then add the remaining details. There are other add-ons as well to automatically import items from supplier price lists or from supplier invoices, which you can check out once you're up and running. When it comes to trialing ServiceMate, don't worry about making a bit of a mess. You can create dummy jobs and clients and fake items as well. And generally just do what you need to learn if we're the right fit for you and your business. If you want to go ahead, there's an account cleanup tool to tidy things up before going live. If you're interested in some ServiceMate features you might have seen or heard about, check out the Add-on store. Add-ons are how we keep ServiceMate easy to learn to begin with, but deceptively powerful. We have over 50 add-ons you can turn on one at a time as you get comfortable and want to gradually get more out of ServiceMate for your business. Most of these can wait till you're up and running, but there are a few easy wins you can start with from day one. With the Automation add-on, ServiceMate can automatically email and text your customers with messages like booking confirmations and booking reminders, follow-ups if they haven't accepted your quote, and payment reminders if they haven't paid their invoice. It's set and forget automation that will save you time, make jobs run smoother, win you work, get you paid, and help you provide amazing customer service. For your most popular services, you can use the Job Templates add-on to create template job cards, so you can pre-fill the job description, checklist requirements, notes, and what you charge. Then, when a new job comes in, you can just select the template, then add the client's details, and everything else is auto-populated, speeding up the job creation process and systemizing your business. Email and SMS templates are an easy win. Creating good templates for your most common scenarios will save you heaps of time and keep messaging professional and consistent across all your jobs, staff, and clients. You can start from a template when emailing or texting clients online and in the app. With the Email Inbox add-on, you get an email address for your ServiceMate account. So, if you receive a lot of inquiries or work orders via email, you can actually forward these straight into ServiceMate, where you can convert them into new jobs both online and in the app. If you're in a repeat job industry like lawn and garden care, pool care, cleaning, property maintenance, or pest control, you can actually create a job in ServiceMate and set it to recur, so it will automatically recreate and schedule itself at set intervals, like every week, fortnight, or month. You can do this by turning on the Recurring Jobs and Reminders add-on. This will give you this option to create a new recurring job. You just add the client and set a job template that this job will use every time, so you can systemize the description, checklist, and price. Lastly, set the details of who it'll be auto-scheduled to and the frequency it'll automatically recreate and schedule itself on an ongoing basis. If you don't have a website or you don't have a professional email address and domain, you can actually set these up in minutes with the website and email add-on. Clients can then submit inquiries, which comes straight through to your ServiceMate inbox. They can check out your past feedback, they can browse a gallery of photos that showcase the work you can do, as well as use customizable online booking forms to request a quote or book a job straight into your ServiceMate schedule, day or night. Typing can be tedious and time-consuming. With AutoWrite, ServiceMate can draft the description to go in your quotes and invoices in seconds. For an email, simply add a subject line and dot points on what you want to say. Click AutoWrite, and ServiceMate will draft a full professional message. Or just select a line you want help with and improve. The Smart Writing Helper can save you hours while boosting your service and professionalism. Before going live with ServiceMate, you'll want to connect to Xero, QuickBooks Online, or MYOB. Not only will ServiceMate import all your clients and items so you can search and add them in job cards from the start, but with this connection, you can invoice and take payment in ServiceMate, then approve all those details through to your accounting app for easy reconciliation, saving you time and avoiding double entry. Connecting to your accounting app is one of the single best things you can do with ServiceMate. It provides value every single day, plus your accountant will love you for it. With ServiceMate Pay, you can accept card payments on site. This finalizes the job then and there. It's great for cash flow, and it's an awesome customer experience. You can even set up Tap to Pay on iPhone. You just hold out your iPhone, the customer taps their card or device, and bam, you've taken contactless payment on site. If the customer isn't around, you can generate the invoice and send it via email and SMS, including a link so the customer can view and pay their invoice online. It only takes a few minutes to set up ServiceMate Pay. Check out the Help Center for more information. So, if you think ServiceMate can help transform your productivity, your efficiency, and your customer service, start a free trial and try us out. Check out the learning roadmap available in the app and online for step-by-step videos and articles on how ServiceMate works. If you prefer to work with an expert, get in touch with one of our independent ServiceMate partners for setup and training. They'll save you time and add value in the process so you can hit the ground running. You can also save money engaging a partner with our setup and training rebate. If you have any questions, we have 24/7 live chat support, or you can reach us at support@servicemate.com. Catch you later.